Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is exploring the magic of cinema. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. In this presentation, we will play with an image and rectangles. We will try to visually convey a cinema hall to communicate the message we want to our listeners in an apt way. The magic of cinema is a wondrous journey that takes us to new worlds, challenges our perceptions, and stirs our emotions. Through the power of storytelling, visual beauty, performance, and societal reflection, cinema has the ability to inspire, entertain, and enlighten audiences of all ages. Here we will see the design of the title slide of our presentation. The first thing we have to do is to color the background. Right click, format background, we choose color, black, and that's it. Then we want to insert a rectangle. We go to insert ribbon, we choose shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape, format, size, height, 16 cm. If you have inches in your settings, it's about 6.299 inches and width 25 cm. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 9.84 inches. Then we go to align, center, align, align middle. Shape fill, we choose from the theme colors the first yellow. Shape outline, no outline. Then we want to insert the image. We go to insert ribbon, we choose the pictures, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click insert. We go to picture format, size, height 15 cm, it's about 5.9 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width we adjust it from the right dot to 24 centimeters. It's about 9.44 inches. Then align center, align middle. Then we go to right click, format picture, picture corrections, brightness. We choose 5th in the row and 5th column. Now we want to cover the screen of the cinema. We want to insert another rectangle on the cinema screen in which we will write our title. Go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape, format, size, height 6.5 cm. It's about 2.599 inches and width 16 cm. It's about 6.299 inches if you have inches in your settings. Shape format, shape fill, black. Shape outline, white. Shape outline, weight 1 point, as it is. Now we want to insert our title. We go to insert, click text box, click inside the screen of the design area, drag and release it. We choose Baskerville Old Face font, size 44, color white, and we write our title, exploring the magic of cinema. We go to home, center the text, and we put it in the desired position. Then we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area in the screen, on the screen again, drag and release it. We choose the same font, Baskerville Old Face, as the title, size 20, color white, and we write the presenter's name, by Martha G. Santos. and we put it in the desired position. We also want it to look like a movie. We will create a kind of film. We will insert 50 rectangles up and 50 rectangles down. Now we want to go to the insert ribbon, we choose shapes, click the rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, size, height 0.8 centimeter and width 0.4 centimeters. 0.8 centimeters, it's about 0.31 inches, and width 0.4 centimeters, it's about 0.157 inches. Shape format, shape fill. We go to the theme colors in yellow. Shape outline, no outline. And then we copy it and paste it again another 49 times. Copy, paste, paste, or with the command Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. And we keep going with the same way. Right click copy, right click paste. And then we click all the small yellow rectangles, right click copy, right click paste, and we put it down there, and we click the up small rectangles and we put it a little bit down. Shape format, align, distribute horizontally, and shape format, align, distribute horizontally. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put in animations. First, we click all the smaller rectangles that are from above. We go to animations, motion paths, lines, effect options left, start with previews, duration 3. Then we click on all the small rectangles below. We go and click all the small rectangles below, animation, motion paths, lines, effect options right, start with previews, duration 3. Then we group the image with the black rectangle. Click the image, shift and click the black rectangle, Ctrl G. We go to animations, zoom, effect options, object center as it is, start after previews, duration 2. We go to the title, animations, zoom, effect options, object center as one object as it is, start after previews, duration 1.50. And we go to the presenter's name, animation zoom, effect options, object center as one object as it is, Start after previous, duration 1.50. And then we go to the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!